So you can see today the sun is shining. It's an incredibly beautiful winter's day. So I'm trying to decide what to paint. Earlier I painted this little one, and you can tell what the light feels like right now because that's exactly how the light feels. It feels very warm. It's got that winter glow about it. So I might try and copy that feeling. So I'm using the same paints. This is just in a travel palette as my big palette. The paints are identical, except this only has one full pan just there, whereas this is mainly full pans of colour plus 2 or 3 golds. The reason for that is the bigger palette I use mainly at home, and this one I'm just testing out. I'm going on a trip. I just want to make sure that I have all the colours that I normally use. I am missing, I think, raw sienna. So I'll go to the art store this afternoon and I'll pick up a tube of that so I can make a pan from the raw sienna. The raw sienna I don't actually use in the landscapes. That's mainly for my portraits for my girls. And that's a sketchbook thing. So in my yellow, in the pan, they're not really clean, and so I keep picking up bits of blue that get put on my page as green. So that's a good lesson to keep your pans clean so you don't contaminate the colours. Haven't learned that yet. So this colour here, it's Payne's Grey, which has very similar pigments to indigo, but they must be in different ratios because it renders as quite a different colour on the page. So especially with the Scarlet pigment, I think it's Scarlet Lake, which is a very, I think it's PR, I have it written down somewhere. Trusty book, no, not this one. Maybe it's written in this one. It is PR88. That's a great thing to do with your colours. Put the wrong colour on the wrong pan, see? It's a good reference to have the pigment colours, because if you have a different brand, you might want the similar colour, the similar pigment. And so having the pigment number just helps you to make sure that you will have the colour that you want. The ratios of powder to the binder might be a little bit different. It might behave slightly differently because of the ingredients that they use, but at least you can be confident that the colour will be fairly similar to what you're used to. That didn't work. So I'm spreading out the gold into the clouds. I'll try again. See?